Yeah. Ke go bona o tlapile scone. Arpas spoon. Tami tsa mo reka di bi. Ga masibi. Ra go ja life when I was speed. Lick hey se ke rata ka wish. Throwing shots and me bona ba no miss. Top chef, le shera go rai cook. Dog trade ya go punisha cook. Sex position ka style sa go. Go TED YouTube on check go. I get work to be Mario.
Yeah, guys, we are here with Umakati. We are here with friends over. So, friends over. How much do you rate yourself?
8.
Kisha, how much do you rate my bro there? Why 4? Sharp guys, I try to see friends. Mafuna ama initials wakho bangakuthola ku R_Mvula. What's up? Thina nami WhatsApp.
Ngiyasebenza amasimba vele vele
Hey yo, boom, it's your boy Makatini lana, my brother. I'm here with
sure bafethu it's your boy Moshka.
so Moshka. Hey Moshka, I'm here to ask you a few questions, my brother. How much do you rate yourself out of 10?
10.
Out of 10, so it's 10. So how much do you rate my sister here?
8, yeah, 8.
Why umka 8, my brother?
Ngoba Fede akangichazi kangako mara Fede hayi nambuza.
Mwisha Fede ungamshada.
Ayishoni singaganga ayokushaya.
We quack. We only wanna see harness. If you don't have harness, quack.
Obviously kasuka ka uthi siganga kanjani mara singaganga.
Yini i-reflect inside.
Ayithatha imali izolo.
Guys, uvile ngithathe
Ayithatha
pen
imali.
Sinomoshka ngayini. Baba kuphela. Sibonge guys.
Yeah, yo.
Hi guys,
Boom, guys, yeah, it's your boy Makatini guys. Let's go. We are here with so with the now I'm going to ask you 2 questions. How much do you rate yourself? How much do you rate that guy over there? 0. Why 0, my sister? So let's start. You need the ultimate. What's your preference in a clinic? That's good. That's good. So much. Thank you. You. Boom, it's a poor Makatini Kapashi. To me and my brother. How much do you rate yourself? 7. Where's the other 3? Where's the other 3? I want to say 7. If I did it. So my brother, how much do you rate that sister?
4, yeah.
Why 4?
Because Ganga.
Charles, my brother. So we need a reflect for when it comes to we have all the time. We are waiting. Ojani Chirinja. Febe. Bathini konje utheni yini konje? Bathini. Wena le. Febe. So my brother, thank you my brother. So yakho shifte Thomas. Yeah. Pastor kutanda sempini msipamile. My plate, my chair, don't you cheese guy? Yes, my sister, how much do you rate yourself? Where's the other one? Sharp. So, my sister, how much do you rate that guy?
4.
Why 4? So, my sister, you need a reflect for him.
Yo.
Caravan team. So guys, if you want this sister, don't caravans, don't be there. So Thank you guys.
Jako.
Sabonanga samkhangela.
What's happening? Huh?
Etokotela umavest athingishele hayi ngathi abangizwa labantu sho sonke sinezono sonke sinezono ya sonke sinezono sibusiso nezono ya sonke sinezono bowenzani izolo sonke sinezono bowenzani izolo sonke sinezono sonke sinezono bowenzani izolo uJesu athi from your sin hakata efeze hakata etokotela ingane hakata ya sonke sinezono bowenzani izolo sonke sinezono bowenzani izolo sibusiso nezono ukuku nezono balendlu nezono bowenzani izolo
thathela phansi mangifuna nangibheka nanyapha angazi kwenze njani bathi nyapha sengifela ukuthi vele nyaphanda ngiyaqala ningithathela phansi mangifuna nangibheka nanyapha angazi kwenze njani bathi nyapha sengifela ukuthi vele nyaphanda ngiyaqala ningithathela phansi mangifuna nangibheka nanyapha angazi kwenze njani bathi nyapha sengifela ukuthi vele nyaphanda ngiyaqala ningithathela phansi mangifuna nangibheka ngiyaqala ngithathela phansi mangifuna nangibheka nanyapha angazi kwenze njani bathi nyapha sengifela ukuthi vele nyaphanda ngiyaqala ngithathela phansi mangifuna nangibheka nanyapha angazi kwenze njani bathi nyapha sengifela ukuthi vele nyaphanda
ya sonke sinezono bowenzani izolo sonke sinezono bowenzani izolo sonke sinezono sonke sinezono